आज की इस शाम का आगाज हम करना चाहेंगे दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ. So we would like to start this very beautiful evening with lamp lighting. I'm going to request our chief guest and guest of honors.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, सोंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को.
Thank you very much. And गणेश जी की वंदना के साथ, उनकी आराधना के साथ आज की इस शाम की शुरुआत हो चुकी है. Now we would like to request our chief guest for the evening to please say a few words.
नमस्कार. मैं भी डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जी को याद करूंगा. जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि सपने जगाने के लिए हैं, उसी प्रकार से उन्होंने कहा इफ़ यू विश अपॉन ए स्टार इट डजेंट मैटर हु यू आर एंड वेयर यू आर. आई एम एडिंग. हम सब ने बहुत अच्छे से न केवल अपने अपने क्षेत्र में काम खड़ा करके दिखाया है, बाकी भी देश इस बात की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है. जो अभी तक का एक ट्रेंड था कि हर काम के लिए युवक नौकरी 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 ऐसा देखता था, तो आज आप सबकी प्रेरणा से, हम सब मित्रों के सहयोग से, और वो सोचने लगा कि हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. मैं सबको बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.
So we are going to start with our award distribution ceremony and I would like to request. मैं चाहूँगी सर कि अब awards का समय आ चुका है, so आप तीनों से हम request करेंगे कि आप हमारे winners को felicitate करें. सबसे पहला award जो हमारी list में है, it is EPC Company of the Year and this award goes to Angelic International Limited, Mr. Ajay Krishan Goyal and Managing Director. Congratulations. The next award, which is Consumer Facing Enterprise of the Year, Real Estate, और ये award मिल रहा है Anthea Infratech Private Limited, Colonel Sameer Kanwar, founder and CEO. Heartiest congratulations. The next award is Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise of the Year Manufacturing, and this one goes to Mr. Virat Jain from Arihant Industrial Corporation Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Virat. The next award is Not-for-Profit Organization of the Year, and this one goes to Bharti Foundation, Mr. Vijay Chadda, CEO. Congratulations, Mr. Chadda. The next one is Digital Innovation Enterprise of the Year, and this one goes to Mr. Aman Raj, Managing Director of Bizox. Congratulations. On to our next award, and this one is Technology Startup Enterprise of the Year, Information Technology, and this one goes to Mr. Sushant Jeet, founder and CEO, Be Vocal Datacom Private Limited. So our next award, the next award is all about Emerging Enterprise of the Year, Information Technology, and this award goes to Converge Systems and Services Private Limited, Mr. Numol Bura and Mr. Pranjal Varthakar. Congratulations. और हमारा नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है हेल्थ एंड सोशल केयर एंटरप्राइज ऑफ द ईयर, और ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है डॉक्टर सचिन बजाज, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, Signals Medicare Private Limited. Congratulations, Dr. Bajaj. So the next award, Healthcare Innovator of the Year, and this one goes to Dr. Anup Kumar. Congratulations, Dr. Kumar. The next award, E-Learning Consultant of the Year, and this goes to Dr. Kamlesh. Congratulations, Dr. V.N. Kamlesh. और हमारा जो नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है वो है स्मॉल एंड मीडियम साइज्ड Enterprise of the Year, Manufacturing. And this one goes to Mr. Sandeep Agarwal and Mr. Atul Verma from Elegant Engineers. Congratulations. The next award is Education, Training and Jobs Enterprise of the Year. And this one goes to Euro Group of Schools, Mr. Satyavir Yadav, Chairman. Congratulations, Mr. Yadav. Our next award is Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise of the Year, Packaging. And this goes to Mr. Anil Kumar and Mr. Raghavendra Rao, Managing Director of Ficus Packs Private Limited. Congratulations. Next award, Enterprise Excellence of the Year in Food Processing. And this goes to Mr. Shrenik Chaudhary from Cranespan Nutrients Private Limited. Congratulations to Mr. Chaudhary. Next is Healthcare Innovator Enterprise of the Year. From Karnataka, we have Dr. Syed Sirazuddin from Health and Hizama Clinic. Congratulations. The next award is Health and Social Care Enterprise of the Year. And this goes to Mr. Deepak Sahani from Healthians.com. Congratulations, Mr. Sahani. Education, Training and Jobs Enterprise of the Year in IT and BPM. And this award goes to Mr. Rahim Firoz Khairani from IANT. Congratulations. Next one, Enterprise Excellence of the Year in Information Technology. And this award goes to Mr. Dishjit VG from Infosys Limited. Congratulations, sir. Next we have is Education, Training and Jobs Enterprise of the Year from Delhi NCR. And this one goes to Kshitij Education India, Mr. Prashant Ranjan. Congratulations. The next award is Education, Training and Jobs Enterprise of the Year from Andhra Pradesh, and we have Dr. Soma V. Chetty as a winner for this award from Coopam Engineering College. Congratulations, sir. The next award is EPC Entrepreneur of the Year, and this goes to Mr. Ajay Krishna Goyal. Congratulations. Next award, and this one is Entrepreneur of the Year in Finance, and this one goes to Mr. Dinesh Kumar Chen. Congratulations, Mr. Dinesh. The next award is Chief Executive Officer of the Year in Information Technology, and this one goes to Mr. Durga Prasad Shamugam. Congratulations. The next award is Entrepreneur of the Year in Resource Management, and the winner is Mr. Gaurav Mehta. Congratulations, Mr. Mehta. Next award is Social Enterprise of the Year in Media and Entertainment Sector, and the award goes to Mr. Kishore Joseph J. Congratulations, Mr. Joseph. Next award is Chief Technology Officer of the Year, and this one goes to Mr. Mohan Shetty. Congratulations, sir. The next award, Chief Executive Officer of the Year, Training and Placement, and this one goes to Mr. Nitin Goswami. The next award is Chairman of the Year in IT and BPM sector, and this one goes to Mr. Nitin Shah.
आज मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि मंजिलें उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। तो उड़ान भरने के लिए हौसलों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और आज इस आयोजन में उसी हौसले को एक सलाम है, एक प्रणाम है, और इसी हौसले को प्रणाम करते हुए और ये जो आयोजन है, आयोजक हैं, उनको भी धन्यवाद देते हूँ, क्योंकि ये सब कार्यक्रम अति महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम है, जहाँ पर we not only recognize and acknowledge talents, but we also try to promote them, give them a platform. इतना ही कहकर मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Next one, this is the Chief Executive Officer of the Year, Transportation, and this one goes to Mr. O.P. Harshwal. Congratulations, sir. The next award is for Chief Executive Officer of the Year in Agriculture, and this one goes to Mr. Paris Bhamba. Congratulations. The next award is Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year in Maharashtra, an industrial properties consultancy and turnkey project, and this goes to Mr. Rajendra Saroj and Mr. Virendra Saroj. The next award is Chief Operations Officer of the Year in Transportation, and this goes to Mr. Rajesh Munjal. Moving on to our next award, this one is the Chief Information Officer of the Year in Aviation, and this award goes to Mr. Ramandeep Singh Virdi. Congratulations. Next award is Chairman of the Year in International Freight Forwarder, and this goes to Mr. S.P. Singh. Moving on to the next award, this one is Entrepreneur of the Year in Retail and Apparel, and this one goes to Mr. Sunil Goyal. Congratulations. To our next award, this one is Chief Technology Officer of the Year in Transportation, and this one goes to Mr. Ramandeep Singh Virdi. Congratulations again. The next award, Inspiring Youth Entrepreneur Award for Madhya Pradesh, and this award goes to Mr. Varun Porwal. Congratulations to Mr. Porwal. The next award, Chief Executive Officer of the Year in NGO, and it goes to Mr. Vijay Chadha. Congratulations. The next award is Enterprise Women of the Year, and this goes to Mrs. B. Sri Vidya Priya. Congratulations, ma'am. The next award is Women Entrepreneur of the Year in Imports and Trading, and this goes to Mrs. Indu Bansal. Congratulations. The next award is Innovation Enterprise Lawyer of the Year, and this goes to Mrs. Smita Priyadarshini. Congratulations. The next award, Startup Consulting Enterprise of the Year in Finance, and this goes to My Corporation Consultants Private Limited, Mr. Rohit Taneja, Managing Director. Next award, it is Enterprise of the Year in Human Resources, and this one goes to Mr. Neeraj Agarwal, Managing Director, NA Human Resource Solution Private Limited. Congratulations, sir. The next award is Technology Startup Enterprise of the Year in Banking, and this one goes to NextSense Tele Solutions Private Limited, Mr. Tarun Mohan, CEO. next award is Enterprise Excellence of the Year Construction in Delhi, and this goes to Ping Pong Global Limited. The next award, this one is Enterprise Excellence of the Year in Energy and Utilities, and this one goes to PTC India Limited, to Dr. Rajiv Kumar Mishra, Director of PTC India Limited. Congratulations, sir. अगला अवार्ड है Emerging Enterprise Excellence of the Year in Transportation, और ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है मिस्टर संजय राठी को, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर संपर्क इंडिया लॉजिस्टिक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. Congratulations, sir. The next award, Not-for-Profit Initiative of the Year, Tile Master, it goes to Mr. Satyendra Gautam, Assistant Vice President, Somani Ceramics Limited. Next award is Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise of the Year in Manufacturing, and this goes to Surya Life Sciences Limited, Mr. Arun D. Joshi, Chairman and Managing Director. The next award, New Enterprise of the Year International Logistics, and this goes to Tripath Logistics, Mr. Prabhanjan Sridhar, Mr. Badri Gobi, Mr. M.A. Nathan, Mr. Ram Chandra Kulal, Mr. Ravindra Kumar, and Mr. Abbas Khan. Congratulations to all of you. और अब हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट अवार्ड की तरफ, जिसका नाम है Not for Profit Organization of the Year in Education, and this one goes to University of Biochemic Health Sciences to Mr. Santosh Lohar. Congratulations, sir. Now, it's time for the last award, last but not the least. It is Corporate Social Enterprise of the Year, and this goes to Mr. Surendra Pujari, Chief Operating Officer from Vasant Toyota, Nasik.
आज हम लोग यहाँ अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूशंस के साथ काफ़ी उनके अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में वो जो काम कर रहे हैं, और सबके काम जो ढर्रा है जिस पर सीधा सीधा चलना है उसके विपरीत दिशा में है. नए काम जो शुरू करने के लिए बच्चे सोच रहे हैं, युवा सोच रहे हैं, वो इस बारे में सोचें तो मुझे लगता है कि इसके अच्छे परिणाम हम लोगों को, देश को मिल पाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि विपरीत दिशा में सोचने से परिणाम भी बड़े सकारात्मक निकल करके आते हैं. इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजकों को और मंच संचालन कर रही हमारी बहन, इन सब का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा. बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया. आप सब लोगों ने बहुत शांति के साथ में इस कार्यक्रम में पार्टिसिपेट किया. आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.